Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can stop or turn off the Google Chrome notifications, especially unwanted and unnecessary notifications that will keep on notifying you once you are using the Google Chrome browser. So to get rid of that, let's go quick into the process. In the Windows search bar, type Chrome. That will appear as an application under the best match, then just click on that. Now here in your Google Chrome browser, you need to locate the three dots. You can find that in the top right corner. This is to customize and control Google Chrome. Click on that. Simply scroll down and look for settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to go with privacy and security. That's the shield symbol that's under autofill and passwords. Now, under privacy and security, you have five options or six options. Delete browsing data, privacy guide, third-party cookies, add privacy, security, and site settings. Go for the last option, which is the site settings. Controls what information sites can use and show, including location, camera, pop-ups, and more. Click on that. Now here under permissions, you'll find location, camera, microphone, notifications, and embedded content. Click on notifications. Now you have two options. Sites can ask to send notifications and don't allow sites to send notifications. Now you have to go with the second option. Don't allow sites to send notifications since we are going to stop the Google Chrome notifications. However, if you want to allow some sites, especially important sites like educational sites, to send you notifications, then under customized behaviors, you have here allowed to send notifications. So click on this add button. Let's say for example from google.com. So type here www.google.com. Then click on add. So you are not going to receive any notifications aside from www.google.com. So that's it. That's how you can turn off or stop Google Chrome notifications from keeping on notifying you on your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.